What's up, YouTube? Today I'm back with another lovely cooked video for y'all, man, right here on Dad's Kitchen here on the KARRIEM family channel, man. So if you're new here, like, subscribe, comment down below, share this video if you choose to. If not, oh well, man. But today we're gonna be cooking up some bomb chicken fried rice outside right there in my lovely beautiful backyard, man, right there on the Blackstone griddle. So get over here, come with me. First thing first, we wash our hands on Dad's Kitchen, man. You dig? We wash our hands, lovely hands. Lather them up. How's everybody day going, man? Hope it's beautiful, hope y'all blessed, and hope everybody doing good, man. You know what I'm saying? You woke up, you doing good. You woke up, you blessed. You woke up, hey, miracle, right? God is good. I'm drying my hands off. Get over here. So, we got a day-old rice. That's the key. You have to get the day-old rice, guys. Day-old rice. Day-old rice. Yes, you have to have the day-old rice, right? Then, what we're going to do is get some garlic butter. Get some garlic butter. Get the chicken now. Get the chicken now. Then you want the green onion. Got to have some green onion, guys. Green onion, yellow onion, and egg. I have a half of onion that I saved for yesterday's meal. Sorry I didn't vlog that for you guys. But you know what? Go check that video out I just dropped. Good video for y'all, man. A chicken rotisserie sandwich, man. Bomb. Chicken rotisserie salad, man. Go and check it out, man. Hit the like over there and don't be a hater, bro. We got the fresh garlic and some egg, right? Got to have the egg and some peas, right? Egg, peas, and carrots. Okay, so let me grab the frozen peas, oh, wrong one, mixed vegetables, man. Mixed vegetables. We got some mixed vegetables jumping off. That's broccoli. Uh-oh. Well, got some right here, man. Peas and carrots for y'all. I thought I was gonna have to make a run to the store. I was gonna take y'all, man. We ain't did that in a while, huh? Took y'all along to the store. So, anyways, here's everything we working with. And I'm gonna show y'all, and we're gonna get this started. So, you got the chicken, right? You got the egg, you got the onion, you got the green onion, you got the garlic butter, you got the fresh garlic, you got the day-old rice, man. You got the peas and carrots. Get over here. You have the soy sauce, man. It ain't Kiki, mom, but it's bomb. That off-brand one is very good. Trust me. We got the pepper, and we need some salt, because that's all you're gonna use on this meal, man. You don't want to do all that other seasoning and all that. It's gonna take the flavor away. And we need one more thing, guys. The key to success when frying any kind of Chinese rice you're making, you're going to need to get some sesame seed oil. Yes, that's all you need, and yes, that's all I have. You don't need much of this. Y'all with me? Focus. It wants to get my face, man. I don't want you to get my face. I want you to get the sesame seed oil so my peoples can see. Okay? So, I'm about to start prepping this, and don't go nowhere. I'm gonna show y'all when I get out there to that Blackstone griddle what we working with. We gonna drop the chicken first. I don't want to bore y'all with this cutting, so I'll get back at y'all. Don't go nowhere. Peace. So let's get back to business, guys. We're about to go out here, heat this Blackstone up. Man, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in CA, which is California. You guys know? If you didn't, now you know, man. You new here? Like, subscribe. All that good stuff. We finna get this griddle hot. Turn him on. Turn him on. Take the top. We're gonna set that up right on the Weber. We're gonna go open. Boom. Now, you wanna hold this for about 5 to 7 seconds. And then you wanna go boom. Boom. Hear that? Oh man, he's gonna heat up quick. Look at them flames. We gonna get this fire flame and we'll be right back at you. Don't go nowhere again. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling, man. Look at this lovely backyard, man. God is good, man. God is good, guys. God is good. Beautiful day in California. Beautiful day in California. As a matter of fact, I gotta go wash this chicken off. I am not about to cook this like people do, and I ain't saying who, but we don't do that around here. You did? We're going to wash this chicken off. We ain't gonna say who. We don't get down like that. You did? So, bowl, right? We ain't going out like that. Drop that chicken. We is not going out like that, buddy. We are going to wash our chicken off. See that? Just want to get a good massage. Make sure you get a double rinse. Let's go 3, just to be safe. All right. So, get over here. So, what we're going to do is get some regular oil for the chicken, because I don't want to mess up my chicken and use all my garlic butter on that. I want it for the rice, because we want this to taste like Benihana's chicken fried rice. Or it can just be regular chicken fried rice. It's already been cleaned and seasoned. It's already been cleaned and seasoned. So we're just gonna get all this oil. Let that oil heat up a little bit. We're gonna let that oil heat up a little bit. Man, I look dark on here. Why is it doing that? It's light out here. There we go. Come on, man. Come on, camera. Autofocus thing. So we just want this grease to heat on up. We're going to drop the chicken like this hot. Popping, it's popping. And we're not going to put nothing on this right now until it all get on there. And then I'm going to show y'all something what I do. Instead of using all those seasonings, we're going to go with this salt. Black pepper. Right? Soy sauce. You did? Flavor. A little bit of garlic. Gonna flip them and repeat it. Already smells good. Already smells good and delicious. Now you want to draw boom, 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 boom. Now you want to go with a little more soy. Put that down. Next, we're going to soften these carrots up. Peas and carrots. Don't take too much, but you don't have to use them all. We're going to go with some garlic butter. Garlic butter. Not much. Not much. Then you want to drop that onion. Mix all this in, because all this going in. And that garlic butter, right? You want it to bond with it? Do that extra. Do it that good. Flip these, bam. Getting that brown to him. Getting that brown to him. Okay. Now what you want to go with is that rice. It's that rice. Yep, they all work the rice. Chop them up real good. Smash it, chop it, whatever floats your boat, man. Smash it, chop it, whatever floats your boat, man. So watch this. Now, key to this. Remember, key. That's the key, man. You don't need much. Look, I already smell it. Already smell it. You don't need much, man. You might as well just go on and finish them off. Finish it off. Finish it off. The key to success. There you want to call it. Inside the rice. That's how we're going to do this. There you want to call it. The soy sauce. The soy sauce. Mosquitoes out here in Cali is vicious. I thought the country they'd be vicious. Man, they ain't playing out here. Ankle biters. Man, I got about 4-5 bites already. That quick. Just trying to whip up something real quick. Then you want to come with, after that, some salt. Still got to do the egg. And add the green onion, pepper. Get some room for the egg. Get over here. Come on, man. Come on with this dark stuff. Now, already looking beautiful. I ain't even put the egg or the chicken. The egg or the chicken. Clean this off a little bit. Look how quick it gets. Quick it gets dirty, man. But it gets so hot, beautiful. It gets so hot and beautiful. It make miracles, man. The best thing going. The best thing going for outdoing. It's the best thing going for outdoing. Man, almost a slow sweat. That's the best thing going for outdoing. Blackstone. Best thing going for outdoing. You dig? Best thing going for outdoing. Yep. So now we can start cutting this up. We can cut this chicken. Let's do this. Cut it on up. He's scratching this grill. Shut up, it's mine. Don't worry about it. He's scratching this grill. It don't matter, it's mine. Hot out here and it's hot on this grill. It's a lot of meat. Yeah. Last thing last, last thing first, first thing last. We need to do that. We need to do that. Dump the egg. Dump the egg. We're gonna get some garlic. We're gonna get some garlic butter. We're not gonna use regular butter. We're gonna go and get the garlic butter. Boom. Egg. Egg. Up. A little pepper, a little salt. Some more salt. I need more salt. And I'm gonna go with a little more garlic butter. Why not? We need to drop the green onion since this is done. And then we'll voila. Should goody, man. Ready? Throw it all. Watch the whip game like magic, man. Watch the whip game like magic, on. Watch the whip game like magic. What we gonna do? Hit it one more time. One more time like that. Put all the juices coordinate up in there. Put all the juices. And there you have it. Final finish touch. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm turning this off, man. Look at that. Beautiful, fine, golden touch. Want it the Brown's way? You do it Dad's way. Right here on Dad's Kitchen. If you're new here, hit that like, hit that like, hit that like. Don't be a hater, dude. Hit the like, man. Videos gonna keep coming. Hit the like. Subscribe too if you haven't. See you on the next one.